Best programming language to learn in 2024. Top programming languages 2024. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Enlighten JEE, where we explore the exciting world of engineering and technology. Today, we're taking a peek into the future of programming languages. If you're curious about the best programming language to learn in 2024, you're in the right place. We'll be exploring the top 10 languages that are set to make a significant impact. So, grab your coding gear, and let's dive into the exciting world of programming. Introduction to programming languages. The world of programming is ever evolving. To stay at the forefront, you need to keep learning and adapting. As we look forward to 2024, certain languages are gaining prominence due to their versatility, performance, and demand in various domains. Whether you are a beginner aiming to start your coding journey or an experienced developer seeking to expand your skill set, mastering the right programming languages is essential. So let's get started. Python. Kicking off our list is Python, and it's no surprise Python continues to dominate as one of the most versatile and beginner-friendly languages. Python is widely used in various domains, including web development, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and automation. Its versatility and extensive libraries make it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned developers. JavaScript. Next on the list is JavaScript. With the rise of dynamic web applications, JavaScript maintains its position as a must-learn language. With the rise of front-end frameworks like React and Vue.js and back-end frameworks like Node.js, make JavaScript essential for both front-end and back-end development. As the backbone of web development, JavaScript is an indispensable language to learn. Mastering JavaScript ensures you're well-equipped for modern web development. Java. Java has stood the test of time and remains a stalwart in the programming community. Known for its portability and reliability, Java is widely used in enterprise-level applications, Android app development, and server-side development. Learning Java provides a strong foundation for building robust, scalable, and cross-platform applications. Rust. Entering the scene with a strong focus on performance and safety is Rust. Known for its memory safety features, Rust is gaining popularity in systems programming, game development, and projects where efficiency is crucial. Rust is becoming a preferred language for developing low-level systems. As the demand for secure and efficient systems programming grows, Rust is a language to watch. Go. Go, commonly known as Golang, makes its mark on our list. Developed by Google, Go is known for its simplicity, concurrency support, and efficiency. It's widely used in building scalable and efficient systems. Learning Go can open doors to opportunities in cloud computing and back-end development. As more companies adopt Go for back-end development, learning this language can enhance your marketability. C#. C# is a versatile language developed by Microsoft and is primarily associated with developing Windows applications and games using the Unity game engine. With the growing popularity of Unity in game development and its expansion to non-gaming applications, C# is becoming increasingly relevant. Additionally, C# is used in back-end development with ASP.NET. TypeScript. TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript, secures its place on our list. As applications become larger and more complex, the need for static typing grows. TypeScript brings type safety to JavaScript, making it a valuable language for large-scale projects. If you're into front-end development, TypeScript is a skill worth acquiring. With the rise of large-scale web applications, frameworks like Angular have embraced TypeScript. Kotlin. Kotlin, often associated with Android development, is expanding its reach. Kotlin, endorsed by Google as the official language for Android app development. With its concise syntax and interoperability with Java, Kotlin is becoming a favorite for building cross-platform applications. If mobile development is on your agenda, learning Kotlin can give you a competitive edge, and its usage is expected to grow in the coming years. Swift. If you're interested in iOS app development, Swift is a must-learn language. Developed by Apple, Swift is designed to be fast, efficient, and user-friendly. Swift is a valuable skill for developers targeting the Apple platform. With Apple's ecosystem continuously growing, the demand for Swift developers is expected to rise. Learning Swift opens doors to building applications for iPhones, iPads, Macs, and other Apple devices. Julia. Stepping into the world of scientific computing and data science, we have Julia. Known for its speed and ease of use in numerical and statistical computing, Julia is gaining traction. If you're interested in the data science domain, Julia is a language worth exploring. And there you have it, the top 10 programming languages to learn in 2024. Remember, the best language for you depends on your goals and interests. Whether you're into web development, data science, or systems programming, there's a language that fits your aspirations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments. Happy coding!